Hi, I'm Cedric. I'm a first year mechanical engineering student currently studying on campus. We had a COVID scare where one of our flatmates actually had to get tested. So we were in quarantine and I self-isolation for 3 days. If I'm honest, I felt we got like a bit too much support that we didn't use enough. I think as soon as we told the uni we were in isolation, like 2 hours later, we got these huge, like three huge boxes of food that were supposed to last us 2 days, and we were really it felt like Christmas, so we were really happy because we just get a bunch of food at our doorstep. We also got told about a bunch of like online classes and support lines and stuff, and we were also told by a team of like student ambassadors who would help us with anything we needed. I think one of my flatmates got they was helped out by one of the ambassadors. So this university was prepared to support us in isolation for 2 weeks. So, and I also got really happy because an hour before the COVID test came back negative, we had gotten another delivery of food. Most of the things that I've been doing personally is been going to the East Village, and I've also been using the STV a lot. So we've been playing badminton, and we going to the gym, things like that. And of course, every Thursday I have my IPT, so I actually get to go to the mechanical engineering building and do some in-person stuff with some postgraduate students and our professors. And I really enjoy my IPTs because I get to work with my tutor mates and we answer in MECH we get a bunch of problem sheets every week. So even in between the breaks when we don't, the professors aren't there, when we're supposed to have breaks, we work on the problem sheets together with my tutor group. And I feel like it really helps my learning being able to be there in person and talking about the questions in person, which I enjoy a lot. I feel like the university, like especially during these times, they've done a lot to support us. I think I'm happy that I came here in person. I'm really enjoying my experience on campus.